everybody, and welcome to our daily agenda for Thursday, November 18th. For today, we are starting off with our dialectical journal. We are reading our Hunger Games chapters 8 and 9 in class, and then I had a larger discussion post because I wanted to go over some of the questions that we can find in the Hunger Games. You, for homework, are reading chapters 10 and 11. You guys remember, you guys have a little bit of a longer read for homework. Dialectical journals, the Hunger Games, reminder that is due. We are going to check them on Fridays, and that's going to be your due now as well. I also went back a couple chapters to 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and then 9 as well. We didn't get to 10 because 10 is homework, but I wanted to go over those chapters so we could at least discuss them before you guys started having your assessments, because you guys are going to start having an assessment soon. So, just letting you guys know as a heads up. And then we just briefly talked over some predictions of the Hunger Games. Alright guys, that was Thursday, super easy day. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school, and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.